Hello, I'm Cassandra Sorsano. Welcome to our company, Interceramic.
Okay, hello, Cassandra.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay,
Question number one. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
of course I can. I am Daniel Aguilar. I am a student. I am 24. I am working and studying at the same time. I like what I do, especially drawing, because it's my passion.
Okay. Number two, what did you study in university?
I am already studying the career of architecture in ESIA Tecamachalco, which is one of the most prestigious schools of my career in my country.
Okay. What work experience do you have?
I've been working in many things since I was a child. I've been working in office about installations, mechanical installations. I've been working on a architecture company. I've been working on a cafeteria on the airport, international airport. And also I've been working in as a builder, as a minion, as we can say. So I have many experience by this moment in my life.
Perfect. What skill do you have?
uh, I consider that my skills are about my attitude. Like, I am someone who is hard to give up, and also I like to draw, so I have an understanding of the space very solid.
Okay, what is the biggest risk you have ever taken?
One of the biggest risk I have taken was, for example, the operation I took the last year when I was operated by some organ in my body who was close to explode and make me sick and then die.
Okay. Uh, what is your okay? What has been the biggest mistake in your life? You learn it. You learn for your mistake. Did you experience help you mature?
I can't say what has been the biggest mistake in my life, but I can say that yes, I have learned about them. Actually, I consider myself as someone who currently falls in mistakes. So I think that mistakes are the biggest teachers in life.
Okay, how will you describe your ideal job?
My ideal job is actually someone where I can work about what is about my passion. In this case, I cannot say architecture because I like to do many things. Starting by architecture, I think uh, any work where I can do what I want, having time to meditation and help to others.
Okay. How will you describe you? No, sorry. How do you see yourself in 10 and 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as and someone who has his title, working on my area, getting experience, hoping I hope that I be learning other language.
Okay.
And also I like to be establishing some economical position and doesn't having any economic problems anymore. And 10 years, I see myself as someone who's already traveling. I want to travel around the world and meeting people and getting experiences about many things, not just work experience. I mean about many other kind of experiences.
Okay. Why are you interested in this position?
I am interested on this position because I think that Interceramic offers me many opportunities to grow in my area, knowing about materials and the ability of take control of the numbers in my projects.
Okay. What do you like to do in your free time?
Uh, I don't like to consider free time as free time because I I am trying to do always something productive, if we can say. But I like to learn. I like to watch movies. I like to read whatever it be related with my knowledge and the world, understanding the world. That is my favorite hobby.
Okay. What is your goal in life?
Uh, my goal in life is have time enough to do something good.
Okay. Mention a specific situation in your work life in which you have the most trust your leader.
Once in work, I was in my team, and then it became a problem about the impressions. My team was haven't ended the work, and they have problems about the situation with this machine. So what I did was take making everybody calm down. I was suggesting that they should receive check their layers on the program. So then they did it. The last thing I did was talking in front of the boss and explaining him what was happened. So that it was the work was completed, and I want the respect for my mates.
Okay. Tell me about a challenge or conflict that you have faced at work and how you resolve it. Are you ready to solve the problems?
Uh, yes, once I was uh, really in really serious problems because I wasn't uh, understanding many concepts about my work. So then I was keeping behind the others and I was afraid to lose my job. But then I decided to study the subject and I get the ability to solve the problem. And then I got this attitude to solve problems in the future. So yes, I think I'm ready to solve problems.
Okay. Uh, why did you leave your previous job? Or
Uh,
do you want to change jobs?
on my previous job, I was working on a cafeteria, and it was a good job actually, but then big pandemic became a situation, very awful situation, and my cafeteria broke up, and I lost my job. So it was more about a situation of uh, environment more than my decision.
Okay. Why haven't you last in your previous job? Why did you last so short in your previous job?
My previous job, I was more about 6 months, no, 9 months working. So it is a considerable long time, especially when I was working more than 4 months on any job before. But I mean, that's the reason because of the pandemic.
Okay, why did you get fired?
Once I was fired on my second job because I wasn't putting effort enough and I wasn't losing my objective. And I was starting to arrive late and didn't taking many days off. So it became a problem, and then I was fired as a as a bad worker.
Okay. What can you tell me about your previous boss?
My previous boss was a nice man, actually. He was kind and he gave me food and coffee, free food, of course. And also, he was an artist man who used to draw and do many artistic activities on his business. So I can say many good things about him.
Okay. There is a great in your work experience. What did you do during that time?
Okay, there is many gaps on my history because when I was on the last one, that was 2 years ago, I lost my focus on the way, and I was doing nothing about architecture. I was trying other things, especially about drawing and illustrations and meeting people about coffee. So it was like reading. Then I returned and started again 2020. That's what I did, meeting people.
Okay, tell me about a moment in your work life where you made a mistake. How did you solve it?
Mm, Once I made a mistake when I put a position of uh, about a wrong hole on steel, a steel component. So what I did was say it to my boss and then propose a solution, putting other the hole in other position of the component. It wasn't actually elegant or my mistake,
Okay, how do you handle the pressure?
uh, because I used to like to work at my rhythm, and making all my things at my time and my way. That's something clear. So I don't like to work in pressure. I can do it, but I don't like.
Okay. What if after 5 years working with you didn't get a promotion?
Uh,
Will it be frustration for you?
yes, but actually, I don't see myself working 5 years for you, unless if you don't give me a promotion, because I am conscious that I am someone who can offers many things, and also I'm someone who's in a time who's learning, and more than any other thing, I am here to learn about this company. So I don't see myself in 5 years working here.
Okay. What are your salary clients?
Uh, about my salary, I think I'm not doing this for less than $2,000 per month.
Okay. Why should we are you?
You should hire me because I am some element who is able to handle many situations out of my career. What do I mean? I am not very conscious about your teammates, but I am someone who's able not just for offers you architecture solutions. I am also able to offer you solution about English, about math, about drawing, about uh, technologic solutions, mechanic solutions, engineering solutions, and many other skills I am happy to show you on my CV.
Okay. What do you know about our company?
What I know about this company is that Interceramic sells uh, losetas
Okay.
really good and bonitas. And
Okay.
those, I like the way it is designed. What the company reflects.
Okay. Do you have any question?
I not.
Okay, perfect. The last question is, what is your living of English?
My level of English is, I am not sure about this because I am not able to measure the entire English. So I just can say that I can making me understand, and that's all what I can say.
Okay, thank you for your
No,
question.
thank you to you.
Bye.